So you might be wondering how you can make your iPhone actually charge faster. Now, this is kind of a complicated thing because there's not really just one way to make your iPhone charge faster, but there are some ways you can make your iPhone, at least on the outside, kind of charge faster without having to go and change anything crazy. Now, the first thing I would recommend doing though is if you're plugging in your iPhone to charge it, the best thing you could probably do is to get a plug-in charger. So find a charger that you can use to actually plug it in, and you might just want to make sure it's a fast charger. If you're plugging in your iPhone directly into the wall, that's the fastest way to charge over wireless charging, but also depending on what type of charger you use. For example, this type of charger is going to be a faster charger compared to another type of charger block that's not as fast. So the smaller ones aren't as good if you have like ones that have like three different things sticking out of it. That may not be the fastest charger thing to use either, but that type of charger is the fastest one you could probably use. On top of that, another thing I typically do is that I will usually go ahead, if I'm in a pinch and I need to charge up my phone as fast as possible, I would go ahead and turn off my iPhone. You'd be surprised how good of a job just turning off your iPhone can actually do in order for you to actually save battery and actually charge your iPhone faster. I've personally experienced this so many times, and this is usually the best way to go ahead and kind of charge up your iPhone is to just turn it off, let it charge up while it's off, and then whenever you're good to go, you can power it back on, or if you need to leave somewhere, and usually this will charge your iPhone faster because you do actually have the ability of like not using anything on your phone. You're not kind of draining battery while it's charging. So it's basically just focused on charging. And then whenever you're ready, you can power it back up and then you should be good to go. And that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. Now, if that's not working either, if that's not fast enough, again, the charger like itself is probably going to be the thing. That's probably going to be the fastest thing to do is to change that charger. You can also see if there's an update available for your iPhone as well. If you want to just go into general settings right here, then you want to go and click on software update. If you want to just go and update your device, that's another option you have, and I'd probably recommend doing that as well. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.